Today I'm gonna show you some Windows PowerShell tutorials. So first, to get to Windows PowerShell, you can either type PowerShell in here, or you can click Windows logo button plus X. You can click on Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell admin. If you have, what the hell is going on in the background? Okay, now we'll wait until the PowerShell opens up. Okay, now you can just plug in. Now you can just type in here something like, for example, Taskkill /IM, and then you just type the path in here, like what do you want to kill, or if you're in here like this folder, you can just type in, you can just type anything here, or if you do it like that, you can forcefully terminate it. Or if you do PID, it can just use the process ID. Like, for example, if I type here, for example, or in the PowerShell, Taskkill /PID 2528, it will close the task manager. Don't believe me? What is the PID again? 2528. Wait, it's access denied, so I can't kill the task manager because I'm not in administrator mode. Then F. If I task kill something like this, you can terminate it forcefully by its PID. So we're done with the task kill now. Let me show you something else. Del, delete, or remove item. Then you can just type in the path what you want to remove. Move in here, 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 or here, and you can just remove anything like that. But I don't even have this path here, so this is nothing. So remove item. We can also do something else. This will only work in administration. We'll talk about this one later. Now, what else can we do with the PowerShell? We can, of course, clear some temporary files by doing this. And let me do that. See, because it's in using by another process, because it's not empty. Well, who cares? And using clear will clear everything. Type CMD and you'll use the command prompt instead of the PowerShell. If you want to go back to the PowerShell, just simply type PowerShell and everything there. Now, if you want to see all of the processes going on, you can type PS. Whoa. That's a lot of processes turned on. Winlogon, Wininit, Winlogon, Wininit. What? I can see a lot of stuff is on. Now, let's find NTOS kernel, which is in the background again. Okay, who cares about them? Alright, so this is the basic of the PowerShell tutorial. Now we can just, as you can see up here, we're gonna do how to get a blue screen of death with the PowerShell. First, click Windows and X again, and open admin. Yes. PowerShell boy. Now you can type here. Now you can type in here Wininit. If I click enter right now, I'm gonna get a blue screen of death. Seriously. But I'm not gonna do that because then my recording will crash and I won't be able to tell you more about the PowerShell. Now you can just do administrative stuff here. I'm gonna also show how to access a path. This is even available without administrator. So C users item app data. And now it pop up already. Oh, we can't access it. What is that? The PowerShell in here? No, the PowerShell's down here. Oh my god, Bandicam, stop that screen recorder. Okay, now you can see that we have a user, and you can just type in del temp / everything, for example. This is to clear temporary files again. Okay, so this is basically all the PowerShell tutorials. Maybe I'll do more. Okay, that was it, guys. Bye bye. Subscribe if you like it, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like. Let's stop the recording.